Test alert. Test alert.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies. This was a test in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies.
We all have to really take that as a gift.
Dealing with all the heaviness in this world is tough, but at Paylight, we're always here to encourage you through it. Ways to help you stay positive.
Everybody else can go right ahead.
This station is participating in a test of the Illinois Emergency Alert System. This system was developed to provide information to the public during emergencies.
Especially in the South.
This was a test.
And it's at a pretty steady
The official home of the Fighting Illini. This is a test of the Emergency Alert System.
Gallon cash back at Susan, it's so great to finally be able to get together again.
Oh, it sure is. And I really appreciate you picking up the bill.
I'm happy to. I've got the extra cash. Since we've all been driving so much.
It's on your first tank. That's code EARN. This is a test of the Emergency Alert System.
Engine oil that works as hard as you. Ask now more than ever. That's why Shell Rotella synthetic engine oils help you go further. Empowering you to do what you do best for longer. Design.
Drug Administration, where she provided expertise in the areas of
With a much-deserved Grammy of 96 for the Road to Canada album. That's right, you're not protected.
This is a coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have showed us.
Equipment that can warn you during emergency is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the Emergency Alert System. Career. Former Stanford sailing coach who got caught up in the college admissions scandal. We'll talk with him at 9:35. Plus, we'll check in with Dr. Love at 10:35. And what do we think about Chappelle's new stand-up on Netflix? That and Sopranos Talk with comedian Brian Miller. He's at 11:30. It's Corey Heffela, weekdays 9 to noon on News Talk 830 WCCO. Well, according to research, 82% of people remember radio ads. That means that 82% of you...
568-2790. That's 800-568-2790. For a... KMND HD2, Minneapolis, St. Paul, and Odyssey Station. This is CBS News.
Luckily for seniors, you're now going to have an extra 5.9% to pay for those higher prices ahead.
The adjustment takes effect next year. Heating bills could jump as much as 54% this winter as natural gas prices surge. Nearly half the homes in the U.S. use natural gas for heat. And as crazy as it sounds, the average bill could cost more than $700. High levels of lead are forcing people in Benton Harbor, Michigan to use bottled water for cooking and drinking. CBS's Omar Villafranca reports.
Reverend Edward Pinkney started distributing water through his church 2 years ago and says many residents in this predominantly African-American
information by the Illinois State Police. With 8 hours of thunderstorms with 65 in Freeport and 74 in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Southwest 10 to 20 miles per hour. Severe weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for mutual water. 60 miles per hour with gusts. 6:43 p.m. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roof, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include DeKalb, Ottawa, Peru, LaSalle, Moshel, Sandwich, Bethesda, Byron, Oregon, Amboy, Sheridan, Shabona, Lake Holiday, Portland, Mobiles Peak, Davis Junction, Hinkley, Sonoff, Earlville, and Waterman. Markers including the following interstates. Interstate 39 between mile markers 55 and 111. Lake Holiday. Interstate 80 between mile markers 74 and 94. Sonoff. Interstate 88 between mile markers 62 and 95. Grounds. This includes Northern Illinois University, Sandwich Fairgrounds, Buffalo Rock State Park, Lee County Fairgrounds, Matheson State Park, Starville State Park, and Tri-County Fairgrounds. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. A tornado watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. for North Central and Northeastern Illinois. Rock State Park and Tri-County Fairgrounds. This is NOAA's weather radio. West North G536 in DeKalb. Support Northeastern Illinois forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, and Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you the latest severe weather information. Severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Minnesota, moving northwest at 15 miles per hour.
Flying debris will
Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. A severe thunderstorm flying debris will be tornado with those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This tornadic thunderstorm will remain over mainly rural areas of northwestern LaSalle and south central Lee counties. This includes Tri-County Fairgrounds, including the following Interstate 39 between mile markers 71 and 73. Northwestern LaSalle cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. This is no radio. Go to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Weather is occurring or forecast to occur in our listening area. This station will broadcast severe weather alarm tones for Winnebago, Boone, DeKalb, Ogle, and Lee counties. Standard broadcasts will be curtailed to bring you in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 60%. For tonight, mostly cloudy. We will now return to our regular program. thunderstorms in the afternoon. Highs around 70.
Discussion.
Winds 10 to 20 miles per hour.
To less than a mile
Up to 30 miles per hour in the afternoon. Chance of precipitation 60%. Was a test of the north tonight. Mostly cloudy. Discussion. Patchy dead.